If you're looking to buy a used printer and you're wanting to know whether to buy it on eBay or Amazon, stay tuned because today that's what I'm going to be talking about. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some experience I've had with selling used printers on Amazon and eBay. So if you are looking to buy from the consumer side a used printer, I want to give you my recommendation on which website is going to give you the best price, and then I'm going to throw in a bonus tip for you that I hope you find helpful. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Anything printer related is what you will find here on this channel. Repairs, unboxing, advice videos such as this, ink installations, and print quality tests. Also, if you have a question throughout the video or you have your own experience, comment that below. I'd like to know what your experience is or if you have any questions at all. At the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing a bonus tip, so stick with me through until the end of the video, and I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus tip. If you're buying a used printer, you're going to want to know this. Alright, if all this information ends up being helpful, please make sure to like this video. That'd be greatly appreciated. I started out my career on YouTube about 4 years ago on YouTube, and then 5-6 years ago with my actual printer business, which was mainly at the time selling used printers. Now I would sell these printers on eBay and on Amazon, but mainly on Amazon. And the reason why I sold mainly on Amazon was because the prices on Amazon were much higher. So if you're looking to buy a used printer and you're going to Amazon.com, the prices are probably going to be pretty high. If you're buying on eBay, you usually can negotiate a lot more, and the prices are going to be lower in general. Both of these websites have very good return policies. So it's not like you're paying more and you're going to be able to return on one and not the other. They both have very good return policies and you can get your money back fairly quickly. I will say though, Amazon, it's a lot easier to go through the process, but at the end of the day, you can have the process done and you can have your money refunded if you end up getting something that you did not expect. Especially with a printer and it being used, it can be tricky because there's a lot of components going on there, and if the seller isn't really experienced with selling printers, they may not have tested it fully and they may be sending you a printer that is not fully functional. So that's basically all I came on here to say, was that when you compare eBay to Amazon, eBay is usually always going to be a lower price. Amazon is going to have a premium price usually. You know, there was only a few points in my business that I would focus mainly on eBay, and that was because there were some other factors going on there, but I would always lean towards selling on Amazon because I would get the highest prices. You as the consumer want to do the opposite of that and not get the higher prices. You want the lower prices for the same quality. You're going to get the same, basically the same quality printer. When you compare the same quality printer, your bottom line price is going to be lower on eBay. Now the bonus tip that I will give when it comes to buying a used printer is this. If you have a nearby Savers or Goodwill, you can go to the electronics section and you can look for a used printer there. A lot of times you could even find printers that are still in the box that are in pretty new condition, and you're always going to be paying pretty much pennies on the dollar versus what you would be paying online. Now if you do find a printer at Goodwill or Savers that is out of the box and it's just out there, which usually is the way they are, is they're just sitting on the rack, you can test it by going into settings and doing a print quality test report, or with Epson it's a nozzle check report. Now a lot of times you can get really cheap printers, but the one caveat is you may have to do a print head cleaning. Basically, if any of the colors are not printing, you can use the Best Printers cleaning kit to revive the print head. Now in the video I just recorded previous to this one, I ended up getting a printer for free because I had a $5 credit at Goodwill. If you take the cost of the new ink, you take the cost of if you have to do a DIY project and do a repair on the printer, you know, add up the cost of the print head cleaning kit, add up the cost of the new ink, and you are going to be well below a printer that you would buy used on eBay or Amazon any day. Because usually the ones that you buy on eBay and Amazon, you usually have to buy new ink for it anyways. You can kind of cross that off the list of things that you need to compare. Really, it would be the cost of the Best Printers cleaning kit. So this is a kit that I sell mainly on my channel, and I have revived hundreds of printers, helped thousands of consumers. In my business, I used this kit to fix that problem that I'm talking about where no colors or certain colors are not printing. And if you're handy, you want to save some money, that's my tip. Is instead of buying on Amazon or eBay, just go to your nearest Goodwill, find the best printer there. Hopefully it's not over $10. And if you already shop at Goodwill, hopefully you have some saved up credits and you can get a very, very inexpensive printer that you may need to do a little bit of work on. But it's just like anything else. If you do that DIY project, you are going to save yourself all that money. All you really have is the cost of the Best Printers cleaning kit. For the first 3 to 4 years in my business, I used a printer that I had bought at a garage sale for $3. The only cost that I really had was the ink. Now I use a much newer printer because I review printers on my channel and I kind of have to keep up with the newer models. But for a good time there, I was using a $3 printer. Now, was it worth $3? No, it was worth $150. So I don't want to get into too much of that comparison, but if you look on eBay, that $10 printer that you're getting at eBay and then the amount that you spend on the Best Printers cleaning kit, you may think that it's used and that it's not worth anything, but if you look it up on Amazon or eBay, it may be a few $100s. And in some cases, there are some printers that go up to $200, $300 used, and you found them at Goodwill for $5 to $10. That was very common when I was selling printers. Alright, I hope you found this information to be helpful. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for the Best Printers cleaning kit. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like. If you want more videos like this, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions at all about anything I talked about in this video, or if you have your own experience, I want to hear about that down in the comments section. Alright, so that's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.